Hi everyone, I'm Freddy. I've been working in sales for the kitchen appliance industry for close to 13 years, and I can't begin to tell you how many times I've walked into a home and found the same problems. Range hoods that are too loud, ones that barely pull any smoke, or models that just cause constant frustration for the homeowner. After seeing this over and over, I've learned one thing. A good range hood is more important than people realize. A bad range hood doesn't just annoy you, it causes greasy cabinets, lingering odors, and smoke alarms going off every time you cook. The truth is, kitchen smoke is worse than people think. It's full of grease, odors, and fine particles that stick to your walls, your furniture, even your skin. Over time, it stains everything, making your home feel older and making the stains harder to get rid of. That's why I tell my customers a good range hood isn't just a luxury, it's protection for your family and your home. Another big issue is the noise. Too many hoods are so loud that people just stop using them. I've met plenty of homeowners who would rather breathe in the fumes than deal with a fan that sounds like a jet engine.
My God, I can't hear you!
I've worked with a lot of brands over the years, and honestly, most of them start to feel the same after a while. But FOTILE is different. I realized FOTILE was truly dedicated to tackling kitchen issues. Today, I want to focus on their latest product, the FOTILE JQ1515, the 5th generation of their incline series, one that's built on 10 years of research and feedback. Many shoppers focus only on numbers like CFM and noise level. A good hood cares about overall performance and experience. When customers ask me what makes a hood truly effective, I say it always comes down to three things: capturing, extracting, and exhausting. Miss even one, and the whole system fails. This is where FOTILE shines. The FOTILE JQ hood is designed to incorporate all three aspects into one. That brand new incline design isn't just about looking stylish. It's engineered to capture cooking smoke far more effectively. After years of research, FOTILE discovered that smoke doesn't just rise straight up. It goes up, but once it reaches about 23 inches above the stovetop, it spreads out. We call this the golden smoke control zone. The problem with most traditional hoods is that they're installed way above this zone. By the time the smoke reaches the air intake, it's already spread across your kitchen. That's why they never seem to work as well as promised. FOTILE's incline hoods, on the other hand, place the intake right into that golden zone. It captures the smoke instantly before it spreads. Think of it like a vacuum. The closer you are to the dirt, the faster and cleaner it will be. What's more, this ranged hood features an extended automatic capture shield. When closed, it seals indoor heating and cooling. No energy waste. When opened, it forms a V-shaped chamber with the air take, trapping fumes like a dome. American stoves on average are about 26 to 27 inches deep. With the JQ7515's capture shield open, paired with its nearly 30-inch wide air intake, it expands the entire 6.5 square foot cooking area, so smoke from every direction is handled perfectly. Extraction is all about the fan. That's what gets the smoke out. Now, the JQ7515 runs on FOTILE's VentiCore motor system. On paper, it pushes up to 669 CFM under HVI 916 testing, while keeping the noise as low as 7 sohm. This performance is best when it comes to 6-inch duct range hoods. What's impressive is that it does this without sounding like a jet engine. The secret is in the design. First, the hood is tilted at a 5-degree angle. That helps guide smoke straight in instead of letting it swirl around. Then you've got the brushless DC motor, delivering 320 watts of power and spinning at over 100,000 rotations per hour. Strong, efficient, built to last. The impeller inside is modeled after falcon wings, so it cuts through the air with less drag and less noise. And the spiral air duct pushes that smoke out fast, up to 45 miles per hour. What does that mean in real life? Even on the lowest setting, you're still getting solid airflow, about 244 CFM, and it's quieter than a whisper, around 1 som. Crank it all the way up, and you can still carry on a normal conversation at the dinner table. Many homeowners ask me why their hood seemed fine in the showroom, but struggles at home. The answer is ductwork. Long, winding ducts create resistance, like trying to drink through a long, curly straw. That's why the JQ1515 is built with 1,030 pascals of static pressure, one of the highest in the industry. It powers through complex ductwork and still exhausts efficiently, about 25% more efficient than typical hoods of the same CFM. Performance is only half the story. What I really appreciate about the JQ7515 is how it makes everyday cooking easier with its smart features. For example, let's say you've forgotten to turn on your hood. No problem. It's automatic. So it syncs with the cooktop and starts for you. Now, if your hands are wet or messy, it's okay. Just wave in front of the hood and it turns on or off. And for those of you who like more control, you can manage everything right from the FOTILE Connect app. Adjust the lighting, set timers, and even use voice control.
Okay, Google, turn off range hood.
And then there are the little touches that make life easier. The hood has a sleek one-piece glass panel that not only looks premium, but wipes clean in seconds. The oil cup pop right out and can go straight into the dishwasher. The 500 lumen LED lights are bright enough to light up the entire cooktop so you can really see what you're doing. And with 2 size options, plus black, white, or moonshadow gray matte finishes, this hood can fit into almost any kitchen style. At the end of the day, reliability is what matters most. I've seen plenty of brands that look good on day 1, but start giving people trouble a year later. FOTILE's been selling these incline hoods in North America for over a decade now, with more than 150,000 units sold. And the repair rate is less than 0.5%. That's one of the lowest I've seen in this industry, and they stand behind it. The JQ7515 comes with a 2-year labor warranty, a 5-year parts warranty, and a lifetime warranty on the motor. That tells me they're confident about the build, and it gives homeowners like you real peace of mind. I've seen firsthand how poor ventilation can affect a home. It leaves cooking smells that don't go away, builds up grease, and even impacts your family's health. The JQ7515 was designed to fix those problems. It's not just another range hood. It's the result of real engineering and feedback from people like you who deal with this in their everyday. What I like about this hood is simple. It's powerful, it's smart, and it's built to last. For families, that means cleaner air, less hassle, and a kitchen that's actually comfortable to cook in. At the end of the day, that's what really matters.